Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 9. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIFAS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners of class 9, today I am going to conduct a physical education, games and sports class for the students of class 9. Let's see. Our today's topic is Assignment-2 discussion. Dear students, this is our lecture number 7 and there is no homework on our annual term 2021 syllabus. Students of class 9, that means you did or you submitted one assignment on physical education, games and sports class, and today this is your second assignment from your physical education and games and sports book, chapter number 3. So let's start our class, our assignment discussions. At first, in these connections, I request you to open your chapter 3 book, okay, page number 25, chapter 3, mental health and fatigue, because our assignment has been taken on this chapter 3, mental health and fatigue. Let's start. So at first we shall read the lesson and the assigned text of the Assignment-2 lesson. So look here, number and topic, lesson 1 to 4 from chapter 3. So look here, mental health and its importance on students, mental behavior, its classification and ways of removing mental anxiety, fatigue, its classification and effects on students, finally causes of mental fatigue and their remedy. These are the 5 lessons from chapter 3, mental health and fatigue. So this is our main text. Let's start with reading the main text. Araf, a name is given. It is Araf, has not been out of the house lately because of Corona or COVID-19. None of his friends or relatives come to visit. He has a strong desire to go to school. He spends extra time playing games every day with the opportunity to use her mom's mobile for online classes. At present, his mood is irritable and he often feels sick. As a result, he sometimes misbehaves with everyone in the family. Next, describe the steps you and your family have taken to recover from an arising situations like Arabs. Dear students, the assigned text is very interesting. Here one boy, or name of the boy is Araf and his name is given here. It is seen that he has been confined himself in the house. That means due to the corona pandemic, he did not come out from his home. But he has a strong desire to go to school. And another point is that on the opportunity of getting his mom's mobile, he uses much time playing online games, and playing online games causes serious problems in him, and it also sometimes it is seen that he misbehaves with the other family members, and it is very much, and he sometimes he behaves abnormally, and this is the problem. I think you have understood the problems of Arab properly, and now in our assignment we will discuss on mental health, fatigue, and how to recover the problem which Arab has faced. Let's start. So in these connections, I am telling you to open your physical education, health science and sports book, this book, page number 26. Here we will get the definition of mental health. Okay, to write the assignment number 2 answer, we need to at first write the mental health definition. So look here, generally mental health means full and harmonious functions of the whole personality. Games and sports help to keep our body and mind fit by maintaining physical as well as mental health. This is the answer about or this is the definition of mental health. Now if we go to next page, page number 27, here also descriptions about the mental health and mental behavior. Look, human beings pass through various biological steps before their maturity. These steps are childhood, puberty, youth, old age. At each stage, when physical changes occur, human being is influenced by specific types of behaviors. These types of behaviors are controlled by direct and chemical stimulants. Besides this, such behaviors are also influenced and instigated by the reflex actions and inherited reactions. So dear students, we have got the definition of mental health and behavior. I am telling again, from these 2 pages, from this underlined sentence, we have got the ideas, more ideas about mental health and mental behavior. Okay, now we will discuss about the problems or how to recover the mental agony and pain which Arab has faced. Now in this connection, so we need to go to page number 28 of your physical studies book. Okay, look here. Here the ways of removing mental anxiety. By health we mean physical and mental fitness. Body and mind are complementary to each other. If there is mental unhappiness, it naturally affects physical health as well. Mental illness may causes lots of failure and distress in human life. Mental illness may initiate mental perversions in children or problem. That's why parents and guardians should be careful to remove anomalies or abnormalities from children's behavior. State of mind is the subject matter of mental health. Look, it includes psychology, mental disorder, herbal, sociology, botany, zoology, etc. Here the spelling of sociology is like logy, botany, child psychology, and education and mental health science help to prevent different types of mental anxieties, mental perversions and disorder. Mental disorder includes mental disease, shortness of intellect, neurosis, obsession, mental morbidity, crime proneness, etc. In order to remove or prevent mental anxiety from children, proper education for them, bringing them up in a healthy style, good care, good family environment, and positive attitude of parents are essential. Again, patient behavior with children, education for them, child friendly environment, nutrition care, and all other facilities necessary to live a happy life should be available with a view to managing complex nature and mental anxieties of children. So dear students, from page number 26 to 28, we have got a clear picture about mental health and mental behavior and how to recover and how to face the challenge which Arab has faced, arising problems. Okay, there is a good ways of recovering from your book, page number 28. I hope that if you write from page number 26 to 28 and there is a clear descriptions about the assignment 2, please write it properly and submit it on 31 October. So look here, 31/10/2021, this is your submission date. Please submit it properly. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.